Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm on board this beautiful 2025 320 GTC by Saxdor Yachts. I want you to come on aboard and I want to show you some of the great features we have on this boat. One of the many great features on this 320 GTC are these swim platforms that open on each side, widening the interior space of the boat by 3 feet on both sides. This one is powered by twin 300 Mercs with joystick drive system. And we've got a real neat convertible lounge system back here. You can face the backs either direction, aft facing, or you can face them forward for dining. Another great thing about this boat, it's a full glass enclosed cockpit. So we keep that air conditioning trapped in, or heat, whatever the case may be. Coming inside, you'll see how well appointed it is. We've got a really nice cooktop here with a sink, cool convertible lounge and table area, double helm chairs. I like this feature too. It's got a skylight made into the hardtop. So on those nice days where you don't need the air conditioner heat, you can open it up and still get the open air. Down below we have a really large cabin area that'll sleep 2 people. There's a nice head down below. Once again, this is all air conditioned. A really weather tight door here that leads to an open bow area where you can just kind of hang out and enjoy the weather. This is a boat that you can do a lot with. But one of the greatest features we have to show you, and that's how it rides in rough water. Really good rough water boat. This is one of our many offerings here at MarineMax in Seabrook. My name is Paul Glenn. Be glad to take care of you if you want to come check it out.